Hello friends, before proceeding further, I would recommend you to watch all previous videos, as this will be in complete continuation of them. In this video we'll automate the login page of Gmail website. Also we'll show you how to make a Palm class of a page to store web elements. So, let's begin. First, we'll generate TestNG.xml file. Now we'll use parameterization to select browser from TestNG.xml file. In baselib file, under before method annotation, we'll provide the URL that is to be open. Now, to add wait statement we'll extend waitlib class here. Now, let's get straight to create Palm class for login page. Here, we will initialize our web elements such as username text box, password text box, next button. Also, do extend your baselib file in each Palm class that you create. Then, create getter methods for all your web elements. Let's start writing script for login page and rename the method name to login page. As we are taking the username and password from Excel sheet, therefore we'll create object of Excel lib class. This is how we have placed our username and password in Excel file. Also, we will create object of Palm class of login page. Here, provide sheet name, row number, cell number from where username is to be read. We'll provide explicit wait statement for the password field. Let's quickly run the script and check. Congrats, we have successfully completed our first script, that is SignIn. Thanks for watching, friends. Incoming videos will automate remaining scenarios. Also, we'll tell you how to take a screenshot when a script fails.
I hear voices in my head, they counsel me, they understand, they talk to me.